Model, 64-plate Peugeot partner L1 diesel 1.6 HDi professional needs MOT'D body, silver, panel van mileage, 164,000 MOT, the 27th of November 2023 engine, 1560 cc DV6 DTED transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is perfect. Clutch is slipping badly, needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074